The text speaks that wrong notions related with such as world is eternal, world is not eternal, world is finite, world is not finite, body and soul are the same, body and the soul are different, there is existence of Tathagata after death, there is not the existence of the Tathagata after death. There is neither the existence nor the existence of the Tathagata after death. All the false views are known as Ditti Asava. The text says, Sassato lokoti va asato lokoti va sabba pi michha ditti ditti asavo. Now we are discussing Avijja Asav, the last one. The word avijja means ignorance. It has been used in general sense, but it has been used in a particular sense of not knowing the Four-Noble Truth, not knowing the effect of the karma in the past, present and the future, and not knowing the law of dependent origination is called as avijja asava. In another way, avijja is called moha, which has the characteristics of covering the nature of reality. The text speaks dukkhe ayyanam, dukh samuday ayyanam, dukh nirodham ayyanam, moha akusulam ayam buchyati avijja asavo. These four immoral states destroy the rational attitude of mind and make it bewildered. Out of them, the third intoxicant is destroyed by the first path, the first one by the third path, and the remaining two by the fourth path. In the text, Dhammasangani, a bunchlet of Dukkamatika have been dealt with asavas. They are as follows. A. Katme Dhamma Asava. How many are the Dhammas which are intoxicants? They are four in number: Kamasav, Bhavasav, Ditthyasav, and Avijja Asav. The second is Katme Dhamma No Asava. How many are the Dhammas which are no Asava? Means all the moral and immoral states in the realm of Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar and Lokuttar Bhumi, all the material qualities, Rup and Nibbana, Asankhat Dhatu, are called as no asava. Now next is Dukmatika, that is Katme Dhamma Sasava. Means how many are the Dhammas which are associated with asava. All the moral, immoral, inoperative state of Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar are called as Sasava. The next question is Katme Dhamma Anasava. Means how many are the Dhammas which are not associated with asava. They are four mag, four phal of Lokuttar Chit and Nibban. The next Dukmatika, Katme Dhamma Asav Sampayutta. Means how many are the Dhammas which are not associated with asava. The answer is that those Dhammas which are associated with asava are known as Asav Sampayutta. The second question is Katme Dhamma Asav Vippayutta. Means how many are the Dhammas which are not associated with asavas. The answer is that these Dhammas which are not associated with the asavas are known as Asav Vippayutta. The next Dukmatika related with the Asav Gochakka is Katme Dhamma Asava Chev Sasava Cha. Means how many are the Dhammas which are asav as well as associated with the asavas. The answer is that those Dhammas which are the asavas are known as asav as well as sasava also. The next question is Katve Dhamma Sasava Chev Nacha Asava. Means how many are the Dhammas which are associated with Asav but they are not Asava. They are the same as in the case of number 3. The next Dukmatika there are 2 questions. Katme Dhamma Asava Chev Asav Sampayutta Cha. Means how many are the dhammas which are asava as well as associated with asava. The answer is that when 2 types of asavas are associated together, they are known as asavas as well as asav sampayutta. As for example, kamasav is associated with abhijja asav. The next Dukmatika is Katme Dhamma Asav Sampayutta Chev Nacha Asava. How many are the dhammas which are associated with asava and they are also asava? The answer is the same as in the case of number 5. The next Dukmatika we are going to discuss. The first question is Katme Dhamma Asav Vipayutta Asasava Cha. How many are the dhammas which are associated with the asava and they are also sasava? The answer is the same as in the case of number 3. Next question is Katve Dhamma Asav Vipayutta Anasava. Means that how many are the dhammas which are not associated with the asavas but they are not the asavas? The answer is 4 path, 4 mag and 4 phal of Lokuttar Chit and Nibbaan. Thank you for patience hearing of this module. I hope that this module might have given you an insight in understanding some of the Tikmatikas and some of the Dukmatikas which have been discussed in the Dhammasangani, the first book of Abhidhamma Pitaka. Thank you very much.